Here's how to do picture in picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see, this is my primary or main video. Now I'm going to adding another video above this video clip. Now I'm selecting the upper video footage, and here double clicking on the video, and here you can resize your video just like this, and you can also drag the video to change the video position. So that's how we can actually do picture in picture. And if you want to make the picture in picture video clip a circle shape, then go to effects and here search for circle and add the circle effect here. Now in this left hand menu under circle, click on this blending mode option and here select stencil alpha, and then click on this radius box, and here you have to increase the value to make the circle bigger just like this. So I'm adding here 500, and here you can see the result. Let's add 700 or 600 just like this, or you can just increase or decrease your circle just like this. Then go to center, and using this option you can make your video clip alignment. If you want to move the circle vertical, then select this option, and now you can move the circle vertically as you can see the result. And then to make the circle bigger, go to scale section, and from here you can make the circle bigger just like this. And this is how we can actually make picture in picture in Premiere Pro. So here we can see the final result.